Have you ever wondered if everything you know about money is a lie? What if the rules you've been following are secretly designed to keep you stuck while someone else cashes in? Today, we're exposing the 5 biggest money lies you've probably been told. Get ready. Some of these might shock you. Lie number 1. Saving is the key to wealth. Sounds smart, right? You've heard it 1,000 times. Save your pennies. Cut back. Skip the morning coffee. But here's the truth. No one ever saved their way to millions. Saving is safe. It's comfortable. But it won't make you rich. Inflation eats away at your savings every single year. The cost of living rises. Your money shrinks. The real wealth builders, they invest. They take calculated risks. They let their money work for them, not the other way around. Saving is important, but it's just step 1. If you want real financial freedom, you have to go beyond the piggy bank. Lie number 2. Debt is always bad. You've been told to avoid debt like the plague. Stay away from credit cards. Don't borrow. Don't owe. But what if debt could actually make you rich? The wealthy use debt as a tool. They borrow to invest. They leverage other people's money to grow their own. Think about real estate investors, business owners, entrepreneurs. They use debt to build assets, create cash flow, and multiply wealth. Not all debt is created equal. Yes, consumer debt can be dangerous, but smart debt, used wisely, can be your ticket to a bigger, better financial future. Lie number 3, you need to work hard for money. How many times have you heard hard work pays off? Grind, hustle, sweat. But here's the secret. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. The richest people aren't always the hardest workers. They find ways to make money while they sleep. They automate. They outsource. They build systems. Hard work is honorable, but it's not the secret sauce. Passive income, investing, scaling, these are the real game changers. Stop trading time for money. Start building streams of income that flow whether you're awake or not. Lie number 4. College is a guarantee for financial success. Go to school, get good grades, land a high-paying job. That's the promise, isn't it? But for millions, it's a broken promise. Student loans pile up. Degrees don't always equal jobs. And some of the wealthiest entrepreneurs, creators, and investors never finished college. Knowledge matters. Skills matter. But so do creativity, drive, and the ability to adapt. Don't let anyone tell you the path to wealth is one size fits all. There are countless roads to success. Find yours. Lie number 5, talking about money is taboo. Don't ask about salaries. Don't discuss wealth. Don't talk about your financial goals. Why? Because society says money is dirty, impolite, off limits. But silence breeds ignorance, and ignorance keeps you broke. The wealthy talk about money. They learn. They ask questions. They get advice. If you want to grow, you have to break the silence. Start talking. Start learning. Start owning your financial story. Let's recap. Saving alone won't make you rich. Debt can be a powerful tool. Hard work isn't enough. College isn't a guarantee. And staying silent about money only holds you back. These money lies are everywhere. They're woven into conversations, TV commercials, even the advice from people you trust. But now you know the truth. You have the power to rewrite your financial future. Challenge the rules. Ask questions. Make bold moves. If this video opened your eyes, even just a little, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button. share it with someone who needs to hear these truths. And subscribe for more financial wake-up calls. Thank you for watching. Remember, your money, your rules.